Alright, so let's talk about the internet. You've probably heard the word internet a million times already. You use it every day on your phone, your laptop, even your TV. But what exactly is it? Simply put, the internet is a global network that connects computers and devices all over the world. Think of it like a giant web where millions of computers are linked together. This computer can talk to each other and share information instantly. So when you open Google, watch a video, send WhatsApp message, or scroll through TikTok, you're using the internet. But here's the interesting part. The internet itself is not an app or a website. It's the system that allows all these apps and websites to work. Let's make it even simpler. Imagine the internet as a huge road network. Websites are like houses and buildings, and your phone or computer is like a car. The internet is the road that helps you travel from one place to another. So when you type a website like google.com, your device uses the internet to drive to that location and bring back information. Now you might be wondering, how does this actually work? In the scenes, there are servers. These are powerful computers that store websites, videos, and data. When you request something, like opening YouTube, your device sends a request through the internet to a server, and the server sends the data back to you. And all of this happens in seconds, sometimes even milliseconds. Also, to access the internet, you need something called an Internet Service Provider, or ISP. This is a company that gives you access to the internet, like Safaricom, Airtel, or Wi-Fi providers. Without an ISP, your device cannot connect to the global network. So to summarize, the internet is a worldwide network that connects devices, allowing people to share information, communicate, and access services online. Now, here is something that confuses a lot of beginners. Are the internet and the web the same thing? Short answer, no, they're not. But don't worry, this is actually very easy to understand. Let's break it down. The internet, as we said, is the global network. It is the infrastructure. It connects computers all over the world. Now, the web, also known as the World Wide Web, is something that runs on top of the internet. So think of it like this. If the internet is the road, then the web is the cars and destination you visit on that road. The web includes things like websites, web pages, and links. So when you open a browser like Chrome or Edge and visit a website like Google, YouTube, or Facebook, you're using the web. But you're using it through the internet. Here's another simple way to see it. The internet is the system, the web is a service. And here is something interesting. The web is just one of many services that use the internet. Other services include email, online gaming, file sharing, messaging apps. All of these use the internet, but they are not the web. Now you know the difference.
Yay!